Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to program the talk button on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. From the home screen, all you need to do is use the settings. The setting is located right here. So let's tap the settings from the top of the list, and now you can use the sound and tones. If you use sound and tones, you've got access to the following list of features that you can set up. In my case, let me use the system voice, the last option. From the following view of settings, from the following list of settings, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the list and use the short press of talk, the last option. So the short press of talk may start Alexa or may start the Nissan. So basically, you can program the talk button on your steering wheel and just say what should happen when you press this talk button. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.